Welcome again. My name is Chris Wall, and you're looking at cookingwithchriswall.com, cookingwithchriswall.com, um, Chris's Caribbean Delights, or Chris Wall on YouTube. Um, Tonight I'm going to share with you a recipe I had for bacon wrapped shrimp. Bacon wrapped shrimp, or prosciutto wrapped shrimp. I'll do both recipes in one because they cook the same way. So before further ado, let's get to the ingredients. Obviously, we'll need shrimp. We have like 2 pounds of shrimp here, a pound and a half probably, and they're not the very large ones, but they're good enough for like a finger food. I also have some garlic and with regular seasoning, with a general seasoning on it, which I'm going to just put the shrimp in here and just rub them around and let them marinate for a few minutes before I wrap them. It gives it an extra oomph, that extra flavor, that garlic flavor, and that, so that when you bite into it, you say, what's that? So with that, we'll come back, and I'll come back and I'll show you the demonstration. So it's bacon wrap and prosciutto wrap shrimp. So now guys, I am wrapping the shrimp in the prosciutto. I'll just show you that process. The prosciuttos are cut very thin and it's kind of wide, so what I do, I just slit it down the middle like this so that I can get a manageable slice. You take the shrimp, place it in the center, and you just wrap it around until you get to the end, and there you go. It's prosciutto wrapped shrimp. Okay, and you just continue with the others until you're done. Here's another. Get another shrimp. Wrap him in here. Till he gets totally wrapped up. Place him on your pan. I don't have a lot of prosciutto, so I wouldn't be doing a lot of the prosciutto wrapped shrimp. I have more bacon. I just wanted to introduce you guys to the prosciutto. Prosciutto is an Italian bacon kind of thing, which comes from the lamb, right? So it's like, it's not pork to say, right? You wrap this up. Another prosciutto wrapped shrimp. Just make certain it's wrapped. Prosciutto wrapped shrimp. Okay. So now we're done with the prosciutto. we'll get the bacon prepared and we'll be right back. Okay guys, we're ready to put the shrimp in the bacon. I have several slices of bacon here, maybe 6 or 7, 8 or 9. I just lay them out. Make them single layers so that I can work with them better. Good. And here we go. So you lay these out, you take a shrimp and you're going to wrap it in here. Take a skewer or a toothpick and secure it. I'll be securing mine with little broken skewers. I don't have any toothpicks today, so I just break some toothpicks, some screws up, and I'll break them up. I'll break them up and I'll secure them with that. And it's very easy. You punch it in there, secure it, and put it in your pan. Here, roll it up, roll it up, roll it up. Secure with this screw. Place it in your pan. Here we go. Secure, secure. Here we go. You just roll it up. Ow. Got to be careful of those little fins in the back there. The little shrimp tails. Some of them might want to get you at some point. Right, so I'll finish these up and then we'll come back once you're ready to put them in the oven. And these are gonna go at 400 for the first 15 minutes, so that the bacon and everything, that the shrimp can get cooked, and then we'll rise it to 475 and just crisp everything up, and crisp everything up, and then we'll be finished. Okay, so we'll be right back. We'll finish doing these. Okay guys, I'm almost finished with the shrimp and the bacon. So here we go. I'll show you how we're gonna wrap these and put them in our pan here, which is running out of space, and because we had the prosciuttos in there also. So we take a shrimp, and you usually see this is the garlic marinade that I had a shrimp on. I just spread a little bit of that onto the bacon, and then I fold it in a wrap the shrimp into the bacon with that little marinade. Now we get a broken skewer and to secure it, or a toothpick to secure it, and you secure it and you just rest it in there, and you just go ahead and do the next. If you have any more of the garlic left, just spread it on there and just wrap the shrimp into the bacon, wrap the shrimp into the bacon, get your broken screw or your toothpick and just secure it right there, and you place it on your pan. Get another shrimp, another piece of bacon, wrap the shrimp into the bacon, broken skewer, you will secure it, and you're good to go. Okay, get a little bit of that marinade, spread it on the bacon, wrap the shrimp into the bacon, wrap the shrimp into the bacon, and you secure it with a broken skewer or a toothpick. Alright? Some of the skewers, they may not want to work with you, but there we go. Broken skewer. Right? Get that in there. So now we have our bacon wrapped shrimp and our prosciutto wrapped shrimp. These are the prosciutto wrapped shrimp. And we'll see the difference once it comes out. We're going to put this in here at 400, let it cook, and let it cook for 10 minutes. And then we'll bring it out and we'll put it on top of on the broiler at about 475 or 500, and just let the bacon crisp, and then we'll take it out. So maybe it's 10 and 15-20 minutes and you're done. It's a very easy and a time very, very timely appetizer. So guys, our finished product. This not finished, but pre-baked. The prosciutto wrapped shrimp and the bacon wrapped shrimp. And now we're putting them in the oven, 400 degrees for 10 minutes. And then we'll check them after that. Okay guys, now we have the broiler. Okay, now our broiler is ready. So this is the shrimp was in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes on 400. Now we took it out of the oven, and we're going to put it on the broiler to crisp up the bacon, and that's going to take maybe about 5 minutes, but under the broiler, the broiler is actually 500 or 525 degrees, so it's going to be a very quick process here. So we're going to put that in here, and we'll check it again in about 10 minutes. Once that's done, you have your bacon and prosciutto wrapped shrimp. Here you go, guys. The shrimp wrapped in prosciutto is out of the oven. It's done all it has to do. The bacon is crisped. I put it for 5 minutes, or maybe a little 7 minutes under the broiler, so that it can get crispy, and the shrimp is already cooked because I did it at 400 first, and then I put it in the broiler just to crisp the bacon. So now this is a wonderful appetizer that you can serve, and you can serve it immediately as it comes out of the oven. Okay. You can say, well, not immediately. You, we have to let it cool for a little bit before we can bite into it. So, what? It's simple and awesome. Here we go. So, like, share, subscribe, and you'll get some awesome recipes, quick tips, appetizers, fast appetizers, holiday appetizers, and I'll be doing them all for you. So, have a good night and take care. Like, share, subscribe. Love you. And here we have our bacon wrapped shrimp, and I'm brushing them right now with some maple butter. It's maple syrup and 4 tablespoons of melted butter and some cayenne powder, hot chili powder or cayenne powder. And this gives it a good glaze, a little bit of heat, and you're ready to serve. So it's maple maple butter. It's melted butter, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, maple syrup, and cayenne pepper in this mixture here. And I have just basted all of the shrimp with them. You can also put this maple butter on before you bake them, just half of it. Just baste them with that first, and then put them in the oven, and then bake them. And then when you take them out, you put a little more on. But I didn't put any before I baked them. I just baked them with the bacon. So here we go, and it's the best bacon wrapped shrimp that you'll ever have. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll continue to do this. Awesome recipes to come.